Alright, gang. This is my boy allanzeez. Subscribe to his channel. There's a link in the description. Do a trick for him, dude. Oh my god, he's him. Nah, he will be able to do this soon on, like, can you do it on an actual skate park, though? No. He's gonna learn soon, though. And he's probably, alright. He's actually super good at, like, scootering and stuff, so go subscribe to his channel. Again, link in the description. He's just really good. Yeah, just check out his videos. I do a triple tail whip. Oh my god. Dude, did you do it? I mean, it's still impressive though, like even if you didn't land. Right, okay. Bro, he did. Alright, gang. Peace out. Wait, let me just burp.